Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ranjeeta Rani. Today we will be talking on human resource management. Imagine stepping into a workplace where every individual feels valued, empowered, and inspired to give their best. Human resource management isn't just about hiring policies and payroll systems, it's about creating environments where people and organizations thrive together. Today, more than ever, HR is the cornerstone of organizational success, influencing everything from talent acquisition to leadership development. In today's globalized world, human resource management plays a critical role in navigating challenges like talent acquisition, organizational culture, and workforce development. Companies succeed or fail based on how effectively they manage their human resources. This knowledge is indispensable for anyone aiming to lead, innovate, or manage in any organization. Hello and welcome. I am Dr. H. Ranjita Rani, Assistant Professor of Management at PRR College of Commerce and Management, Hyderabad. With a deep passion for management education and 5 years of experience in research and teaching, I am here to guide you through this transformative journey into the world of human resource management. Together, we will explore how HR practices can shape careers, improve organizations, and even change lives. Human resource management is designed to cater to the evolving needs of modern workplaces. Whether you are a student stepping into the world of business, a professional seeking to enhance your HR skills, or someone simply curious about what drives organizational success, this course is tailored to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need. The course contains Unit 1 Introduction to Human Resource Management and Environment. We will start by understanding the foundational concepts of HRM and its strategic role in organizations. Unit 2 Acquiring Human Resources. Learn how organizations attract, recruit, and onboard the right talent. Unit 3 Developing Human Resources. Dive into training, performance management, and leadership development strategies. Unit 4 Labor Management. Explore industrial relations, labor laws, and dynamics of managing a workforce. Our goal in this course is threefold: to introduce foundational concepts of HRM and highlights its strategic importance, to explore methods of human resource development and industrial relations, to understand systems for performance appraisal and organization culture. By the end of this course, you will develop a solid understanding of HR theories and practices, master techniques for workforce development and performance appraisal, gain valuable insights into industrial relations and labor laws, understand how organizational culture and climate impact performance. Join us on this exciting journey to master the art and science of human resource management. Together, we will uncover how HR serves as the backbone of thriving organizations and unlocks the potential of individuals and teams. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and take the first step towards becoming an HR leader who drives in innovation, builds strong teams, and transforms workplaces into spaces of growth and inspiration. Let's create the future of work together. Thank you.